You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 32. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 1 over 4x from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 8 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4 over 1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 32.